In this video, I'm going to show you how you can gain instant followers on TikTok. As you can see right there, I just gained a bunch of new followers in just a few minutes, and I only tried this method for a few minutes. So as you can see right there, as of right now, I have 17 followers. This is just a brand new account that I just created. Let's see how many I get after this video. So what you want to do, you want to go to search and you want to find popular TikTok profiles such as Charlie's, and then you want to make sure to follow those people. So you can go to Charlie, then follow her and follow every recommended page on her page. You can also go to other TikTok profiles. I'll just go to Addison Rae right now and follow her as well. So step number one is basically following a lot of important and popular people on TikTok. So you can go to their profiles, follow them, and then follow the people and recommend it. You can then go to your own profile and click on following, and you'll then see a list of all of these famous people. Next up, you want to start unfollowing them. So I'll just speed this up. And then next up, once you're done unfollowing, you want to start following them again. So this is pretty much a follow for follow method. And the reason why this works is because a lot of people are following people that follow Charlie and Addison and all of these famous people. So you want to keep unfollowing and following them. Don't do it too fast because TikTok will block you. But there you go. So right now I'm going to follow all of them again. And you'll see that this will actually gain me a bunch of followers. So this is pretty much the method that I use to grow pages. Now, if you want to build an active, loyal fan base, this is definitely not the way to go. But if you simply want to gain a few easy followers, you can use this trick. So right now I'm going to unfollow all of them again and then follow them. Now you want to make sure to follow them for at least a few seconds or even longer. So I recommend following them for about 10 seconds so that people actually have the time to follow you. If you just do that, like if you just tap unfollow and follow every second, you're not going to show up in the list. But if I just refresh this, you'll see that I actually gained a bunch of new followers, and that's pretty much how you can gain instant followers on TikTok. So I'll just show you right now. Okay, so there you go. Just now, started following you 1 minute ago. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can do this. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like. Let me know in the comments down below if it works and if you're going to use it, and drop your username, and let's go follow each other, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.